Hi everybody. So today we're going to give Zoe a taste of peanut butter for the first time. I know she likes almond butter. I don't usually carry peanut butter in my house, but I got some specifically to work on this and see how she reacts. Come on, Zoe.
You ready, Zoe?
Are you ready? I know you want to play. You know what this is?
Yummy.
She's already interested.
She's already interested.
There's nothing here. This is empty too.
Let's see.
Let's see. Let's open it. So exciting, huh? Smells good? Does it smell good? Hold on. We don't want her to eat this.
That, yeah.
So, put it on the side. It smells good. Hold on. Don't get too eager. Sit. Oh, that's a good dog.
Yes.
You just sit for food, huh? You're obedient when you need to eat. Let's see. Well, seems like she likes it. Is she gonna be super hyper?
I don't know. It's on her tongue.
Is this too much?
Maybe just a little bit more. It's just funny when it's on her tongue.
Yeah. You're gonna have peanut butter mustache.
The way she's licking her mouth is so funny.
She likes it. Which one do you like better, peanut or almond butter?
She's trying to like swallow the one she had. Oh god, I think she's good. She's like, this is too sticky.
Need some water, right?
Yeah, that's enough for you. You tried it and you showed that you liked it.
Yeah, she kind of want to get some more.
She's just trying to swallow what she's already. Okay, let's get some water.
Come on, drink some water. No? Okay.
Well, all right. We were trying to help you, Zoe, but all right. Do you want to say bye to the viewers now?
More peanut butter?
She's like...
That's so funny. Well, thank you for watching Zoe eating peanut butters for the first time. Follow us on YouTube, Zoe the Sassy Dog, Instagram as well. And we release video weekly, so we hope to see you back here soon. Bye!
Bye! Say bye, Zoe! Bye!